Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Sa'ad bin Muaz radiyallahu anhu had a friendship with Umayyah bin Khalaf. Whenever Umayyah visited Medina Munawwara, he would stay with Hazrat Sa'ad, and whenever Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu visited Makkah, he would stay with Umayyah. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had arrived in Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu went to perform Umrah, and when he stayed with Umayyah in Makkah Mukarramah, he said to him, "Tell me the time of loneliness so as to perform circuit around Kaaba." So he along with him set out at noon and happened to come across Abu Jahl, and he said, "O Abu Safwan, who is along with you?" Umayyah replied, "It is Sa'ad." So Abu Jahl said to him, "Hazrat Sa'ad, I see that you are performing circumambulation of the Kaaba without any embarrassment, and you people have given refuge to those who have renounced their religion, whereas you think that you are helping and supporting them. By Allah, if Abu Safwan Umayyah had not been escorting you, you would not have returned to your family safe and sound." Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu replied him aloud, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you prevent me from performing the circumambulation, I will check you from doing a thing which will be comparatively more irksome for you than it. Trade with Syria via Medina Munawwara." Umayyah said to him, "O Sa'ad, don't raise your pitch before Abul Hakam. He is the chief of this valley." Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu said, "O Umayyah, don't take his side. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say that he will kill you." He asked, "In Makkah Mukarramah?" He replied, "I don't know." Umayyah got extremely scared at this news and went to his wife and said, "O Safwan, do you know what Sa'ad has said about me?" She inquired, "Tell me what he has said about you." He replied, "He says that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has informed the Muslims that he will kill me." I asked him, "In Makkah?" He replied, "I don't know." So Umayyah said, "By Allah, I will not desert Makkah." When the time of the battle of Badr approached, Abu Jahl said to the people, "March for the war and save your caravan." But Umayyah did not like to set out. So Abu Jahl came to him and said, "O Abu Safwan, as long as the people see you, stay back. They will also stay back as you are the chief of the people of the valley." Abu Jahl kept on insisting, so he said, "As you have compelled me, then by Allah, I will buy such a quick camel which will not have any parallel in Makkah." Umayyah then said, "O Safwan, make the luggage ready." She said, "It seems you have forgotten the remarks of your Yasrabi Madani brother, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He replied, "I have not forgotten it, but I am going to accompany them only up to some distance." When Umayyah set out, he would tie his camel near to him at every layover and keep on doing so. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu killed him at Badr. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3950.